This tool has the potential to improve my terrible soldering skills, and in this video, I'm going to show you how it works. Hi everyone, this is the SolderJaw. Out of the box, you have the instructions written on the box itself, simple and easy. I love that. And you have the SolderJaw wrapped in this wrapper. While this is not a sponsored video, I want to take a moment to thank Avery for sending me this testing unit. I will link to his website in the description. To disassemble, all you need is to unscrew these two screws, take it apart, and you're ready to start mounting your PCB. So this is what you get, and this is where you can adjust the size to fit the PCB that you are going to be soldering. So here I have a test PCB. I'm going to put some component, and all you need to do is put your component on the PCB, make sure they fit where you need them, and then you will place that PCB in here and then make sure you have it nice and secured by adjusting the size using that clamp. So this is basically the jaw that holds the PCB in place. You tight that screw in there, and then all you need to do is put that styrofoam that come included and then screw it back together. When you flip it over, this is what you see from the back, and now you're ready to solder everything. As you can see, all the components are firmly secured in place by the sponge from the other side. My soldering skills has never been that good, so anything that can help, I will take it. Initially, I was a little bit skeptical, but after using it, I'm actually impressed, and I think it's a good idea and good product that will definitely help. You will for sure see me using it in my soldering projects in the future. Here, when you're done, you just need to unscrew everything. So take these two screws out, and then your PCB is very much done and ready. There you have it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please consider like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.